Matrix operations with a calculator. So the first thing you need to do is go into the matrix options and select edit. So we'll move over here and we'll edit. Here you can input all of the information that you have in the matrices that you'll be given on your test. So let's say we pick A. We'll decide what the order is. We'll say yes, it's a 2 by a 2 matrix. And I already input the numbers in here for us. So there's a 2, a 1, a 3, and a 6 are the elements within this matrix. So let's quit out of this. What I want to do first is I want to find 2A plus 4C, so I'll write 2, go to my matrix menu, I'll select A, and then I'll say I want to add 4C matrices to that. So let's say I go to matrix, and I'll press number 3 for C. So here you can see I have 2A plus 3C, and I hit enter, and this will tell me what the product or what the result is of adding 2A and 4C together. So here we go here. Next we want to look at multiplication. So we go into our matrix options. I'm going to select A again because I'm multiplying A by B. I go into my matrix, I select B. So I select number 2. A times B in this case, I'll hit enter, and this is the matrix that will return from that. So that is the product of multiplying A times B. To do a determinant on your calculator, it's a little different, so you have to go back into your matrix operations, and you'll hit over to math. So this is where all the matrix math can be found. And we're going to hit 1 and find the determinant. So we have a determinant, now we have to select which matrix we're going to look at. So we wanted C, and I've already programmed this into my calculator. So I will hit second function matrix, go down to C, which is number 3. And I know that my determinant will be 7 for this matrix here. So it's pretty simple and straightforward with that. Last question here, we're going to have A to the negative 1. We want to know what the inverse is of A. So I go back in here, I'll select second function matrix, I'll select 1 or A, and I'm going to make that inverse with my inverse button right here. So I'll click inverse, and here is going to be the inverse matrix of A. So you see here it put the determinant to each one of the elements when finding the inverse.